Zoochory is also done by the following means of modifications that the seeds and fruits have. They might have hooks, hard air and spines, which is noticed in plants like xanthium and bidens. Bidens is also called as beggar's stick. So whenever we are passing through these vegetation, they stick onto our cloths or to the fur of the animals, and they bring about the dispersal of the fruits or seeds through the means of hooks, hard air and spines, which are noticed in xanthium, bidens, which is also called as beggar's sticks. Then in case of plumbago, which I have already discussed in the plumbago indica, which I have already discussed in the earlier videos, you can notice sticky glands which sticks on, which helps in the fruits and seeds getting stuck onto the uh, animals like birds or ants or human beings. And even this is noticed in Daturia and Boravia, and that is how the seeds are dispersed and the fruits are dispersed to different places. See, some of the edible fruits also, like tomato, papaya, apple, mulberry, because of this attractive mechanism of providing food for the animals like birds, ants, human beings. So they are consumed by these animals, and in the process the seeds are dispersed, especially tomato, papaya, apple and mulberry. So before winding up, I would just like to state the different topics that we studied under dispersal of fruits and seeds. We studied that the dispersal of fruits and seeds is of survival value to the plants. They are of four major types. Autochory, it is an inbuilt mechanism within the plant. Anemochory, wherein the wind brings about the dispersal of the seeds. Hydrochory, it is the dispersal of seeds and fruits through water. Zoochory, it is the dispersal of fruits and seeds through animals. So we have discussed the different mechanisms that are involved here in detail. So thank you.